हेलो एंड वेलकम यू वाचिंग हाउसेज कंसल्टिंग और मैं हूं आपकी होस्ट एंड दोस्त खुशी एंड टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डाइव डीप इनटू द मोस्ट टॉक्ड अबाउट प्रोजेक्ट्स इन टाउन, दैट इज डिजिटाउन. And if you're looking for something luxurious, convenient and innovative, then stay tuned. This might be your dream come true. So let's start with the basics first. So Digitown is a project of TNT Group, and this area is around 8 acres and is divided in two phases. The first phase has 3.93 acres and the second phase is around 3.97 acres, and it has total of 8 towers plus 2 iconic towers. So let me brief you a little about this location first. तो ये प्रोजेक्ट आता है in सिद्धार्थ विहार गाजियाबाद, which is an extension of Indrapuram, and it easily connects you to NH24, which is also known as India's first 14-lane expressway, which is accessible to Delhi, Noida, Ghaziabad and Meerut within 30 to 40 minutes. Besides that, you get a lot of options in commercial. There is Pratap Vihar's market, Gaur's market is nearby. There's Opus as well, and Digitown itself will be bringing a lot of commercial options for you. Delhi Public School and Gaur International School are also within a very short distance. Other than this, from Digitown, you will reach Hindon Airport within 15 minutes, Anand Vihar Railway Station within 20 minutes, Shahid Sthal Metro Station within 5 to 6 minutes, and Noida Electronic City in 7 to 8 minutes. Top hospitals like Yashoda Hospital, Fortis Hospital and Max Hospital can be reached within a matter of 10 to 15 minutes. All in all, you get superb connectivity because the project is in Siddharth Vihar. So now let's talk about the towers. So each tower in Digitown is a marvel of modern architecture, with each floor having 4 units, and the maximum height ranges from 27 to 30 floors. And this not only gives you an expansive view, but also gives you an exclusivity for each and every resident of Digitown. So whether you're looking for a 3 BHK variant or need a little more space with 3 BHK plus stored variant, Digitown has got you covered, with sizes ranging from 1663 square feet to 1940 square feet. Digitown has a lot of options for the needs of modern families. And let's not forget about the ceiling height these apartments are providing us, with 11 feet ceiling height, 9 feet entrance door and 8 feet internal doors. This gives a feeling of grandeur, openness. Imagine the air, the light and the space. And the best part, the all-inclusive cost covers some luxurious features. False ceilings with integrated lighting in full apartment, color options in tiles, in dining area and living area, a modular kitchen complete with a chimney, hob and microwave, and wardrobes in all bedrooms. 2 wallpapers of choice in living area and master bedroom. Everything you need for a comfortable and stylish living experience is right here. Digitown is not just about luxury, it's also about smart living. Digital lock in the front door camera, motion sensor lights in all washrooms with 2 smart pots and attached shower panel, automated curtains and even gesture control device. And the best part, you can control your home with your smartphones as well. Now let's take a closer look at what your future home could look like. I've said it before and I will say it again. With great ceiling height comes a great luxurious feeling. First we have the foyer space, and on the left side we have our guest bedroom, also the first bedroom. It's spacious, well lit, has a balcony and a bathroom attached, perfect for making your guests feel right at home. Next we step into the heart of the home, the living and dining area. Now this space is designed for comfort and elegance, with ample room for your family gatherings, The attached balcony offers a serene view, making it an ideal spot for your morning tea and coffee. And right in front of the living area, you will get your powder room. Right in front of the dining area is your kitchen. Fully modular, it comes equipped with everything you need: a chimney, hob, microwave, and plenty of storage. Plus, there's a utility balcony, perfect for all your additional needs. Just adjacent to the kitchen, we have a convenient storeroom. It's a great space for keeping all your essentials organized and out of sight. Moving on is a second storeroom space, and you can customize it as your own. You can make this as your wardrobe space, or you can customize this as a puja room. And just adjacent to it is the second bedroom. It's cozy, well ventilated, and comes with built-in wardrobes, a perfect retreat for your guests or family members. It has a bathroom and a balcony attached as well. And here we are in the third bedroom, which also serves as the master bedroom. It's spacious, has an attached balcony for some private outdoor space, comes with an ensuite washroom with fitted premium fixtures and a walk-in wardrobe as well. Truly a luxurious haven within your home. So whether you're a first-time buyer or an experienced investor, Digitown offers something for everyone. Of course, this project wouldn't be complete with world-class amenities: a fully equipped club, banquet hall, sauna, gym, and a swimming pool. Digitown offers it all. It's not just a home, it's a lifestyle. Now, what really sets Digitown apart is its unique selling points: 11 feet ceiling heights, the semi-furnished apartments, and a floor area ratio of just 2.5, the lowest in the nearby sectors. Plus, the project is backed by UP Awas Vikas Parishad, ensuring it's a non-profit and customer-centric. And this was all about the Digitown project. अगर आपको ये प्रोजेक्ट पसंद आया है, so do give us a call on this number below. और अगर आपको हमारा कंटेंट पसंद आया हो, so do give us a like, comment down below and share as much as possible. Thank you so much for watching House Edge Consulting. मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट एंड दोस्त खुशी.